Yep. Okay. So our purpose for this experiment was to test which organic additive leads to the greatest growth in seedlings over a set period of time. So the organic additives that we decided to use were coffee grounds, eggshells, and we stuck to one constant sample of soil. So as for our midpoint results, during like the midpoint of our project or halfway through our project, we began to see results immediately. First, the eggshell samples sprouted almost immediately. The coffee sample became really moldy and hard, and the control group sprouted as one would normally get with plants. And then, as for our results, obviously starting off, we had no plant growth. Then, after about the second checkpoint, we had small sprouts that were about 1 inch. Then, the third round, we saw green leaves that began to sprout about 3 inches. And then, our fourth checkpoint, we saw completely sprouted leaves about 6 inches. And these results were for the eggshell and the constant sample because the coffee sample never grew for us. And then, in conclusion, our experiment, based on our observations, we found that the organic additive, in this case, the eggshells, proved to provide plants with the most growth. Um, So our hypothesis was correct that decaying plant matter like the eggshells was able to provide the plants with more beneficial nutrients. Um, but on the other hand, the coffee grounds provided that some sort of imbalance with the soil provided no growth. And then just overall, this proves that the coffee grounds contain tiny particles that were prone to locking together to form clumps. And then the clumps created a barrier to water and other nutrients from the plants. And that's all.